Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Chemophilicity. I hope all of you are doing well. So I am discussing a question which was asked in CSIR NET June 2011, and this is a Part C 4-marker inorganic question. So in this question we have to find out that among Mn, Fe, cobalt and nickel, which one of those would make spontaneously stable complexes with carbonyl ligand directly. Okay, so let us try to solve this question. So firstly we have to take care two major things. One is that generally 18 electron complexes are stable, number one, and number two is that we would consider that CO ligand acts as a terminal ligand. Okay, so these two concepts we have to use in this question. So see, we have to first calculate the valence electron of these four metals, right? So valence electrons. So for manganese the valence electron is 7, for iron valence electron is 8, for cobalt valence electron is 9, and for nickel valence electron is 10. So we can see that if we want to make 18 electron, so we have to add CO groups in an even number, right? So first we are considering iron and cobalt. So to make 18 electron complexes, iron should have 4 CO ligands. Why? Because this will give 4 into 2, 5 CO ligands, because this will give 5 into 2, 10 valence electrons, right? So total 18 electrons. In case of nickel, we need 4 CO ligands. That will make 4 into 2, 8 valence electrons. So total 10 plus 8 will be 18 electrons. But we can see if the valence electrons of a metal is in odd number, then by only adding CO we cannot have a 18 electron complex. Suppose we are taking 4 CO ligands, right? 4 CO ligand. So that will give us 18 electron, and 8 plus 7 is 15 electron. That is not stable. If we take 5 CO ligand, then it will be 10 electron, and this will be 17 electron. This is not stable, right? So if we have odd number of electrons in a metal, so they cannot form stable complexes only with binding with CO. Okay, so for making stable complexes, Mn should have a H, because H, Mn, CO5 is a very stable compound. Why? See, CO5CO will give 10 electrons, Mn have 7, and H will donate 1, 18 electrons. In case of cobalt, we have HCO4, that is H1. Cobalt is giving 9 electron, and 4 CO ligand will give 8. So we have 10 plus 8, 18 electrons. So spontaneously Fe and nickel can form stable complexes with CO ligands, that is FeCO whole 5 and nickel CO whole 4. Okay, and we all should know that this is a name reaction. Nickel plus 4 CO, pressure and heat, we have nickel CO4. This process is called Mond's process. Okay, Mons process. So we can see if the metals have even number of electrons, that is in case of iron, in case of nickel, we have stable complexes with only carbonyl ligands, because carbonyl ligand will give 2 electrons if it will act as a terminal ligand. Okay, so the correct option will be option C. So this was a very easy question, and thank you for watching. If you like my video, you can please share, because that will help me to grow in my channel. Okay, take care.